Seyelkuk Koulakoglou, director of the Ankara-based Turkish Center of Asia-Pacific Studies, has said that China's opening up policy is a success and its growth has become helpful to the global South economies.
China has become a trade and production center of the world. In recent years also, China has an effort to get more qualified development and more qualified trade relationship with other countries. So China is opening up to the international market, reforming its economic structure, and also building a supply chain as a center of China is a success story. So now the Chinese government has a focus on more qualified high-tech development progress, and also opening to the world economy, and also much more integrated global economy is also very important for China, because China is still a staunch supporter of the economic globalization across the world. This process has been continuing so far, and it will continue in coming years. It is a miracle or success story when we look at the economic development process and growth of China as a giant economy and a giant population in that regard. So then we can describe this opening up policy is a success story clearly, and also the stability in growth, and also more importantly now Chinese growth has become helpful to the global South economies to develop poor economies, poor countries across the world, and also Chinese development in that regard has also provided some benefits and support to other countries to get more economic assessments.